Hey Aquanuts, someone asked in one of our Facebook groups, what do you do with a Intex style pool in the New York, New England area? How do you winterize it? I've got two thoughts, but first let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you get our videos as they come out. Thought number one is go ahead and take it down. It's an Intex Coleman style pool, should be relatively easy to take down and put back up in the spring. The second option is you take the pump and filter and all of the hoses off the pool, drain them, and put them up so that they don't get damaged. Then you will build some type of an A-frame or put some type of a cover over the pool so that sunlight doesn't get in, leaves doesn't get in, and any type of debris doesn't get in. Also, if you're in an area where you're going to get a lot of snow, make sure that that doesn't collapse your Intex pool or the structure that you build. That's going to be very important, obviously. This is just a quick answer for someone that has asked in our group. If you like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and feel free to keep asking those questions and I'll come at you with these quick answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.